Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AWS Step Functions for serverless workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate AWS Step Functions for serverless workflows, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Step Functions service from the console dashboard. Click on the Create State Machine button to start creating your workflow. Choose the Author with Code Snippets option to define your state machine using JSON or YAML. Define the definition of your state machine in the Visual Workflow Editor. Utilize the Amazon States language to specify the various states and transitions. Make sure to include the necessary AWS services, such as Lambda functions, in your state definitions. Configure the state machine settings, including the name and logging options. Set up the IAM roles required for your step functions to access other AWS resources. Click on the Create State Machine button to finalize your setup. Once created, you'll see your state machine listed on the dashboard. To test your state machine, click on its name in the dashboard to access the Details page. From there, click on the Start Execution button to initiate your workflow. Provide any required input parameters for your execution. Monitor the execution progress in real time on the dashboard. If successful, you'll see a completed status and can view the output generated. In case of errors, review the execution details to troubleshoot any issues. To manage your workflows effectively, consider using CloudWatch for monitoring and logging events. You can also create triggers to start executions based on specific AWS events. Explore additional features like error handling and retrial configurations to enhance your workflows. Finally, ensure to audit your state machine and IAM roles periodically for security and compliance. This completes your guide to activating AWS Step Functions for serverless workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.